morning. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is December 16th, and that means Dolls Gone Goth. And I'm now doing that with Dory at Dory's Dollies, and I'm excited because Dory will have something fantastic today, and I hope you do too. If you have made a video for today, please leave it in our comments, both Dory and I, so that we be sure and see your video. The hashtags mean nothing anymore. Dark winter is the theme that Dory chose, and I thought, dark winter, what does it mean to me? That means more sewing. So I made Laura a dress I have been wanting to make her. I bought this fabric. It's really light and breezy. I bought it at Walmart in the little rolls. They have it's in a bin, and it'll be like 2 yards for $3 or whatever. Anyway, I bought that just after I got Laura, who I love. Thank you, Tina. Tina's Reborn. She bought one, showed her to me, and I said, would you mind if I got one too? And she's like, not at all. I'd love that. So this is my Laura, who just reminded me of Monster High, and I don't know if you can see the little Halloween wings in her, rings in her hair, but I put those on right away and they fit, and Darren made her a pet, and it's a bat, and I just love my new girl. You'll see her a lot on Dolls Gone Goth. So dark winter to me meant take the time to make a new fancy dress. I think she looks like she's going to be dancing. Oh, what was that? The tango that Morticia and Gomez always danced, Darren? Was it the tango?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, she looks like she could dance that in this dress. Dory, thank you so much. Please go by and see what everyone has today. Leave a like, comment, and in everybody's videos today, leave an extra comment for them. Like their videos, like every comment, stick in it, holiday cheer. It's such a nice thing to do for one another, to promote one another, and it is getting to be dark winter. Give everybody a smile. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.